Task number 10, cracking password protected RAR archives. This task is part of John the Ripper module, which is part of the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. Cracking a password protected RAR archives. Let's download the task files. We can use a similar process to the one we used in the last task to obtain the password for RAR archives. If you aren't familiar, RAR archives are compressed files created by the WinRAR archive manager. Just like a zip file, they compress a wide variety of folders and files. RAR to John, which is basically the same as zip to John, right? You just change the tool, the name. RAR to John, almost identical to zip to John tool that we just used. We're going to use the RAR to John tool to convert the RAR file into a hash format that John is able to understand. The basic syntax is as follows: RAR to John, and then the RAR file archive upper greater than symbol, and then the output file. RAR to John invokes the RAR to John tool, RAR file, the path to the RAR file you wish to get the hash of. Greater than symbol, this is the output director. We're using this to send the output from this file to the output file. This is the file that we store the output from. Here is the example of the use command, right? It's RAR to John, RAR file. Basically, you just paste here the RAR archive and then greater than symbol with a .txt file that you want. Cracking. Once again, we're then able to take the file we output from RAR to John. In our example, use case called RAR underscore hash.txt, and as we did with zip to John, we can feed it directly into John. Here is the command after you have this text file. Right, is John --world list the path to rocky.txt, and then provide the text file. Practical. Now have a go at cracking the attached secure RAR file. Answer the questions below. What is the password for the secure RAR file? And then after we get inside the RAR file, what is the flag inside of it? Okay, let's see this one. And we say here RAR to John secure, and then we go to secure underscore rar.txt. We get yes, again, as yesterday I forgot the greater than symbol. Let's get the secure.rar. So basically, you see in a pretty close format than what we saw yesterday. And then we use this command, but with secure underscore rar.txt in order to get password. We need to secure this. What is the password? Is password. Extracting flag.txt, and now we say cat flag.txt RAR archives this time. So for the first question, what is the password for the secure.rar file is password. And then what is the contents of the flag inside the zip file? There you go. Boom and boom. The network is not working. All right, let's just hit a refresh here. Maybe I have to log in again. All right, let's see. Password. And then this one. Awesome. Cool.